Hey folks, it's Carrie from Pretty Neat. Thanks for joining me. So today I want to talk about the reason why you might not be able to get organized. And I'm speaking to this from my experience as a professional organizer. I've been doing this for 6 years professionally, and honestly, I've been organizing my whole life because I'm just a weirdo that way. But what I'm talking about today is what I see over and over with the folks that I work with. And that is that they are struggling to get organized and they are really focusing on the wrong things. They get to a point in their home where the clutter is out of control. Their focus is all about rearranging their things to try to pack more in to their cabinets or into their drawers or into their closets. And if this is the case for you, you might be going on Pinterest and looking for, organizing ideas or specific products that can help you fit more into your storage spaces. I'm here to tell you that if you truly want to get organized, that is not the answer. Trying to just pack more stuff in to your storage spaces is not the way to get organized. And you're probably not going to like what I have to say, but the real solution to getting organized in almost every case is simply getting rid of some stuff. So that's probably not what you want to hear, and I understand. It's way more fun to go to Target and buy new cute containers or to buy this cool new closet organizing system and setting that up. That's a lot more fun than doing the hard work of going through all of the stuff you own and actually having to decide to get rid of some of it. That part is challenging, and believe me, I get it. It's hard for me too, and I see it with all the people that I work with. But that is really the answer. If you want to feel more calm and peaceful and you don't feel that way right now, I am guessing you just simply have too much stuff in your house, or maybe you just have too much stuff in specific areas. So the goal here is to pare things down to the point where it is easy to access the things that you want to use in your home, and it's also easy to put them away. So if you think about kitchen cabinets, if you have tons of dishes stacked in your cabinets, if you have all the dishes and all the bowls in a giant stack, if you have layers of things in front of one another, and when you need to get to that thing in the back, you need to pull some stuff out and move it in order to access the things in the back, that's a clue that you simply are trying to pack too much in. You should be able to, first of all, see the stuff that's there, and you should be able to find it quickly. You should be able to pull it out easily, and then when it's time to put it away, it should also be easy to put away. So that is the overarching goal. Now, that's going to vary a little bit. If you have items that are really only used once in a while, like maybe your suitcases, they probably don't need to be in a place that you can just easily reach in and grab. You might put them in a spot, maybe on a top shelf that takes a little more work, or maybe those are going to be put behind something that you do use all the time. But for those things that you use every day, think about the glasses and the mugs and the silverware and the dishes that you use every day. Think about the products in your bathroom. Think about the towels that you reach for to swap out the ones from your bathroom. All of those things should be really easy to get to. And if they're not, odds are you just have too much stuff. If you really just have too many things that you're trying to store, you're constantly going to be fighting against that. So if you're still struggling with this, if you're kind of skeptical about what I'm saying here, I encourage you to try this experiment. If you have a space in your home that is just constantly difficult to navigate, if it's hard to get things in and out of, if it's just always a mess, I encourage you to go in there and take out about half of the stuff, okay? Half of it. And you don't have to get rid of any of this stuff. You can just Maybe box it up or find a spot under a bed or in a closet somewhere else in your home where you can set these overflow items down. Just try living with that storage space being only half as full as it is right now. And, give it a week or two and just see how you feel. Ask yourself if it's making your life easier, if you're feeling a little bit more peaceful, if you feel like it's helping you in your life. These are small tweaks and they only might make things a little tiny bit easier, but if you consider doing that throughout your entire home, it really can make a big difference. So try living with a very pared down area and just see how it makes you feel. So you might find that you really do like this more streamlined space, that it is making your life easier, and that will help to motivate you to maybe pare that space down permanently and go through those things that you pulled out, and maybe there's a few that you can put in the donation pile. I hope these tips were helpful. If they were, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be sharing more tips here about decluttering and getting organized in your home. Talk to you soon.